Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making this yummy Italian dessert. It is called panna cotta. So we will be needing two flavors of jello in this video. You can take any flavors. First we will take the raspberry jello and we will prepare it. First I am taking hot water. It is boiling hot water in a bowl and add the whole jello packet. It contains gelatin and flavors. So we are adding this into the hot boiling water and we are going to stir it until it is completely dissolved. There should be no particles left in the water. So keep stirring it until it is completely dissolved. As it is hot water, it will get stirred fastly. So once the gelatin has been dissolved completely, we will be adding cold water to this mixture. We are adding cold water in this mixture and we will stir it again. We are going to add a little bit of sugar, around 1 spoon or 2 spoons, your wish, as much as sweet you need. So we will add 2 spoons of sugar and again stir it until it is completely dissolved. And now the mixture is ready. This is optional. I am just adding a little bit of sprinkles so that it looks attractive. Here I have set up 4 bowls slantly in another cup and we are going to fill this jello mixture half the way up to the cups. We are not filling the whole cups as the cup are slant. It will give a cross texture for this jello. So now we are making the chocolate pudding. Now secondly we are making the jello chocolate pudding. This will come on top of the raspberry jello. So to make this, I have taken 2 cups of cold milk. So we will add 1 cup first into the bowl. And we will add all the ingredients of the jello chocolate pudding into 1 cup of cold milk. After adding the ingredients, please mix it very well until it is completely dissolved. It will be a thick mixture as we have taken only 1 cup of milk. So after you have mixed that, add a little bit, around half cup of milk, and be blending it with another blender. I have taken a hand blender here so that it blends well and no lumps have been left. The mixture has been blended well now. This is the consistency that chocolate pudding needs. So after refrigerating for half an hour, these jello have formed to this shape as we have kept them cross. So I will just decorate it with a little bit of sprinkles. This is totally optional, but this looks very attractive and it was very yummy as well. So I am decorating all the cups with these sprinkles. It looks so pretty. And now I am going to top it up with the chocolate pudding. Pour the chocolate pudding carefully as the sprinkles should be in place. Fill the glass with the chocolate pudding as it will give such a pretty dessert. So we have filled up all the glasses here. Wow, the glasses look so pretty. So panna cotta is partially ready, but I am going to decorate it more as it will look more pretty. This is panna cotta, guys. The raspberry and chocolate pudding mixture is very delicious. So I have decorated with sprinkles as well on the top that looks so pretty, and this will go in the refrigerator for another half an hour. After half an hour, the chocolate pudding will be set also very well. After taking out from the refrigerator, this is how it looks. The panna cotta are ready to eat. They are so delicious and so pretty. Sure, do try this easy Italian panna cotta dessert at home. It is really yummy and delicious. So I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.